cat, or a kitten to be more precise, has chewed through the cable. And this is the rest of the cable. So obviously they don't work, and the cable needs reattaching. Now, this should be fairly straightforward. I've done something similar to this with Beats by Dre headphones, so I'm hoping this is going to be a quick one. But the cable is quite mangled. Yes, the cable's quite mangled there. So I'm going to have to cut this back a fair bit. So I'm going to focus on this end of the wire first. I'm just going to cut this back to past this damage. There we go. And get rid of that. Now what I'm planning on doing is cutting these at 4 different lengths, so that when I solder them, it doesn't make the wire too bulky once I put it all back together. So I'm going to take quite a bit of insulation off, probably going to do it about here. Okay. And then we've got all this stuff here, this sort of fabric, which is just to strengthen the cable. So we don't really need that, we can cut that off. And we've got 2 wires inside, we've got a red and a green. And then inside this one should be a white wire, I think, which is there. So as far as I know, the red and green are the left and right audio, the white wire is the microphone, and then these 2 are grounds. So we can just put these 2 together because they both reach the same point on the jack. So I just need to cut these now at 4 different lengths. So there we go, we've got 4 different lengths of cable now. Now this is enamelled wire, I think, or it's got some kind of coating on, so I just need to burn off the coating so that we can get some solder to stick to them. Just give them a quick clean with some IPA to get rid of any burnt bits. I'm just going to tin these wires. And now I need to do the same with this end. Now this is damaged here, so that's going to have to be cut before that point. So I've actually slipped 3 pieces of insulation over. I've got a slightly thinner one here, the thinnest, which is going to cover the wires, and then these 2 are going to give it some strength over the top. That's the plan anyway. Okay, so just slid the green heat shrink over, so I'll just heat that up. And I'm just going to slide one of the black ones over. And then the final black one. Okay, it's nice and strong now. Let's give it a test, see if they work. I hope they do, otherwise I'm going to have to take all the heat shrink off. I can hear music. Yep, that works. Let's test the microphone. Testing, testing, testing. Yep, that works. Alright, all done. So obviously the cable's a lot shorter now. Probably ended up 6 to 12 inches shorter than it was, but you know, at least it works now. I mean, this is fairly strong, but I suspect if it's, you know, if the wire gets caught somewhere, it's not gonna be as strong as it was, obviously. So you just need to be a little bit careful with these. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. If you did enjoy it or it helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more Can I Fix It and how-to videos. Cheerio.